What if the next DJI Pocket camera secretly had two lenses instead of one? That's the question a brand new leak is raising right now. If you've been following the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 rumors, you already know the standard model is expected to launch very soon. But suddenly, a fresh image has appeared showing what looks like the Pocket 4 Pro, and this time the camera module is finally visible. In today's video, we're breaking down what this new leak reveals, why the vertical dual camera design matters, how it might work with DJI's gimbal system, and why a new competitor called Luna could shake things up before the Pocket 4 Pro even launches. So here's what happened. Well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov recently shared an image that appears to show the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro camera head. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool, another blurry leak, but this one is different. For the first time, the camera module is actually visible enough to understand the layout, and it confirms something that earlier leaks only hinted at. The two lenses appear to be stacked vertically, one sitting directly above the other. Earlier images suggested this possibility, but they were so blurry that many people were not convinced. With this new image, the layout is much easier to see. Now, here's where things get interesting. That vertical arrangement may not just be a design choice, it could be a practical decision that helps the gimbal stabilization system work more efficiently. Think of the Pocket series like a tiny robotic arm holding a camera. The gimbal motors need to balance the weight of the camera head perfectly. When lenses are stacked vertically, the weight stays closer to the central axis of the gimbal motors. That means smoother balance and potentially more stable footage. Trust me on this one. In a device this small, even tiny shifts in weight distribution can affect stabilization performance. So stacking the lenses vertically might be DJI's way of keeping everything aligned with the gimbal structure. On paper, it sounds simple, but in real life, this kind of mechanical design decision can make a huge difference in how stable the video looks. Now, let's talk about what those two lenses might actually be doing. Current speculation suggests the Pocket 4 Pro could feature a primary wide-angle camera paired with a larger 1-inch sensor. That would already be a big step for image quality in such a compact device. The second lens is rumored to be a telephoto option offering around 3 times optical zoom. So instead of relying purely on digital cropping, the camera could physically switch lenses when zooming. If that turns out to be true, it would give creators much more flexibility when filming travel videos, vlogs, or cinematic shots. Of course, we still need more reliable information before confirming any of this, but the dual lens layout certainly makes that scenario plausible. Now, here's where the story gets even more interesting. A rumored camera called Luna from Insta360 might launch before the Pocket 4 Pro, and according to leaks, Luna could use a completely different approach. Instead of stacking lenses vertically, it may place them horizontally side by side. Think of it like two cameras sitting next to each other instead of one above the other. Each approach has its advantages. Horizontal spacing might allow more distance between sensors, which can help with depth data or zoom capabilities. But the vertical setup could integrate better with compact gimbal stabilization systems. So, essentially, these two companies might be solving the same problem in totally different ways. So, what do we know right now? The standard DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is still expected to launch first, possibly very soon. The Pro model with the dual camera system could arrive later, maybe sometime around the middle of the year. Meanwhile, Luna might hit the market earlier and try to capture attention first. But remember this, hardware is only part of the story. DJI has always had a strong advantage in software stabilization and ecosystem features, and that could end up being the real deciding factor once both cameras are finally in the wild. So what do you think about this new leak? Are you excited about the dual-camera Pocket 4 Pro? Or are you more curious about what Insta360 Luna might bring? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you do not miss the next leak. Because at this rate, the full picture might appear sooner than we think.